Hey John, thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to talk about American restoration builders. But before we get into that, I do want to discuss with you and help you understand the three different ways on how you can be found by Google. Way number one, you could be found the sponsored, which will land you up here. And in order to get up there, you need to invest in ads. Second way on how you could be found is the Google Map Pack area, which is your Google business profile. So in order to get up here, you need to optimize your Google business profile all the way and do better than ServPro of North Sacramento for this service area. And also you need to do what they're doing and then some in what we call citations. So that's what will land you up here. 30% of your business can be, so 30%, like I said, of your business will be acquired through here. Now the third thing on how you could be found is what we call the organic section. These three top slots are what we call the organics. Right now, as you look at it, Yelp is on the top of water damage restoration Sacramento. In order to beat these guys, we just got to focus on your local area. These guys are pushing at a national, so that's why they are here. So our competitors would be ATI Restoration. So in a nutshell, those are the three different basic ways on how you could be found on Google. With that, let's get started. So we want to talk about American Restoration Builders. Now let's take a quick look at your website. I really like how it popped right there and how it came out. It shows some of you guys' work. I like how your logo is up here on the top. You have our company, you can see your services, your clickables here. And you come down and see. Alright, got some services we offer page, or excuse me, on the top of the page. Let's see. Message here. But one thing that Google really looks for is content. Content is king in the eyes of Google, and Google really loves about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content just on your homepage alone. So that's huge. From the looks of it, yours, it looks like you have maybe 50 words of content. You do not have any keywords, which I will talk more in depth about later. But Google really likes keywords embedded in your content. So let's take a quick look at your competitor's content, which is ATI Restoration. And they have a little bit more than you, I would say, just from the looks of it, they have about 500 to 600 words of content here. Scroll down here. Okay, so they could also use some work. So in a nutshell, in content, Google looks for 1,500 to 2,000 words of content just in your homepage alone, along with every 250 words of that, a keyword embedded in that. So in a nutshell, that's content. So the next thing I want to talk about is backlinks and also keywords. Now, here is a tool. It's called Ahrefs, and you can purchase this tool, and it'll tell you just a quick breakdown on what your website is doing currently. So, American Restoration Builder, this is what your backlink profile and your investment looks like. Looks like you have zero strength of your website, and also your trust is low. So basically, you have zero traffic with 7 keywords going through your website. Let's take a quick look at your 7 keywords. Here's your keywords that are going through your website right now. And this is the volume, your search volume that you have going through your website. Now let's take a quick look at what your competitor is doing. Okay, so ATI Restoration, they are on the second page of Google for this search area. So they are doing, so they have, this is the strength of their website along with their trust. Now, in order to have your backlinks organically with your website and in tune, you want these two numbers to be close together. Small tip. They have 7.2K traffic going through their website. So that's pretty good. They could do better, but all, in a nutshell, we can do much better than ATI restoration. So in order to do that, you just got to do what they're doing as far as proper SEO backlinking is concerned, and then some. So with that, in a nutshell, John, that's pretty much all I have for you. Let's do a quick recap of what we discussed today. You type in water damage restoration Sacramento. 3 different ways in which you could be found. Is this one sponsored area up here, which you can get up here by running ads for your business. And also, second way to be found, 30% of your business will be found here with your Google Business Profile. And you do want to one-up the Serve Pro on the citations and optimization. 30% of your business will be found through here. And also your organic section, which is Yelp, ATI Restoration, and Angie. And just keep in mind that you could beat Yelp very easily because they are focusing on a national level. If we just focus on a level that's in that service area, then you can dominate these guys. But in a nutshell, that's all I have for you. Just in case that you need a guide that can help you in your journey, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua with Peterson SEO. My number is 505-331-7995, or you can reach me at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope the rest of your day is good to you. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you, and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.